So another method is forward. So then, okay, go forward. So then another method is go. So then we can use the parameters here. For suppose I want to go 2 steps -2. So I want to go 2 steps after. So then we can give the go 2 steps back. Okay. So then go 2 steps forward. Okay. So this way we can use the history APIs. Now you can see. So first suppose go back. Yes, it is going back. So then after that go forward, nothing is there. So that's why it is not coming. Go to 2 steps back. It is going to the 93 now. Okay. You can see it is going to 93 now. 2 steps. Okay. So if we can give the 3 steps, so then it will go to the -3 steps. So then you can see now. So it is going to the Google. Okay. So then forward also same thing. For suppose if you want to check the forward button, this one, so same thing you can use. Same thing you can use in 93. Okay. So then 94 also we can use. See. Okay. So this is 95. So if you can click on go to 2 steps back, it is going to the 93. Okay. So now go to 2 steps forward. We are having so 94 and 95. Now it is directly jumping into the 95.html. So this way we can use a browser history APIs. Okay. So the next one is how we can fetch the values from the file. How we can fetch the values from the file. So we can see that one. So where is that one? Geolocation. Then here it is fetch APIs. So if you are having the some text file, so then if you want to get the data from that file, so we can use this API. Okay. So then we can see now 96.html. So then doc type HTML, head, title, browser API, fetch the data from txt file. Okay. So then body, here it is. So we are appending that result text to this one. Okay. See now. So this is the file. So first we have to create a sam.txt file, sample. Okay. So where is our files? So in JS, this is the one. Here I am creating the one txt file. Okay, txt file SAP. Okay, so then inside this one h2, welcome to JavaScript browser APIs. Okay, close h2. Now we can see. So sam.txt file is there. So first we are taking which file we are taking. So then we are appending to that file into one variable. So whatever content is there, so that content we are getting. So we have to use the fetch method. So in any file, if it is a doc, if it is a text, if it is a other extension, so we have to use the fetch method. So using this fetch method, so whatever data is there, that data we can place it into the x variable. We can place it into the x variable. Okay. So then after that, so whatever data is having in x variable, we cannot print directly. We cannot print directly to that one. Okay, so that's why we are appending that data to the another variable y. Okay, so then now you can see, so what are the text is having sam.txt, so we are appending to this one. Okay, we are appending to this one 96.html. So it is not allowing. It is not allowing because of this type of things. We have to run from the server only. We have to run from the server only. So then I am copying this one, and where is this one? New file, and paste it here. So then I have a server htdocs. So inside htdocs JS is there. So then fetch.html, fetch.html. Saved this one. So then where is my server? XAMPP server I am opening. So in this I have a Apache server. So then Apache server is on. So then I am running that one. Local host we can run in that. So JS. So what happened? Where is our file? It's having only 64. Save as. So it is storing in another one. XAMPP htdocs. Then JS h.html. Okay. Now we can able to see that. What happened? The request URL is not found. Give me a second. So then here in this one, so paragraph, welcome to browser API, close paragraph. Yes, this is coming. So we don't have that txt file. So then now we can create the txt file. So in htdocs, XAMPP, htdocs. So in JS, so I'm creating the txt file, sam.text. So then now paste it. Now we can see that. Okay, welcome to JavaScript browser APIs. So same thing we are placed. All right, so browser APIs, and we are using the fetch method to get the text from txt file. Okay, so this way. So how we can use this one? So when we click on button, so we want to call this one. So then, so we can use this way. So button on click equal to, so my function. So then fetch data. Okay. So then we can write all this thing into one function. Function, my function. So then instead of this one, right? So this one. Sorry, cannot write here. I have to write it here, right? Okay. So then now you can see. So now, so if we can click on this one, so then we can able to see that. Can able to see that one, right? So this way we can we can fetch the text from the either text or whatever thing. So then this way we can fetch the data from the files using this fetch method, using this fetch method. So next one is location. How we can get the current location? How we can get the current location? 97.html. So another one is another browser API is getting the geolocation. Okay. So how we can get that one? We will see that. So this is browser API. Gets the current location. So all our tracking modems are working based on this only, based on this HTML JavaScript APIs only. Okay, so otherwise we cannot track the vehicle after HTML5 release only. So they are tracking this. They are start using these modems. Okay, after HTML5, after updating our Java, after updating the browsers only. So then this tracking APIs is implemented. Okay, so then now, so we are created by one button, fetch the get the current location, get the current location. So then, so I am calling a function called, okay, my function only inside this one I am creating. So first one that function close. So then here we are having the navigator dot get navigator dot geolocation. Okay, so then we can put it in alert. How this one? Alert, or we can place console.log. Console.log. So then, okay, get location. So then we can see 97.html. See this one. So get current position. Okay, get current position we are having. So then watch position. These are the methods. So then constructors. Okay, so geolocation. So where is the show position is not there, right? Okay, get current position we can call. There is this one, get current position we can call. So there is our file. Okay, so then if location is not empty, if so the navigator dot geolocation, so then navigator dot geolocation dot get current positions, get current positions. Okay, so else document dot get element by id, element by id. So then we can append the result. So h2, so then id equal to res. Okay, so we are appending to this one result. So then that inner html equal to location is not supported by this browser. Okay, so if it is not running, so then our application, our browser is having old browser, or it is not supported. These methods, these browser API methods. Get current position is having some error, so we have to call another coordinates. So inside this one, so we are having lot of methods, so then we can call it. So all the position coordinates we are having, so we can create another method. So after this one function, okay, show show details, show details. This is my function. Okay, now we are calling this function as a callback method of this one, get current position. So then now document dot get element by id. So then res, right? Res dot inner html equal to equal to. So we are adding, we are getting the coordinates. Okay, so we created position any y position is calling position. So then position dot position dot get current position. Get current position is not coordinates. Here is coordinates dot, yes, coordinates dot latitude, latitude. So then we can now here, see, it is asking. So previously it is not asking. So then initiating the geolocation API. So if you can allow this one, so then we will get that one. If you can block completely, it is blocking. Then after that, we have to clear our complete history and cookies. Then only again it is asking. Okay. So now allowing. Okay. So this is my current. What is this one? So latitude. Okay, so if you want to find the current location, so we have to get the latitude and longitude. Okay, so then same thing plus the current location of current location of latitude and and longitude. Here longitude. So then base position dot the longitude. Okay. So current location of latitude and longitude. So then whenever you want to we want to pass these things to the uh, maps. So then where is maps? See here. So these are the longitude and latitude. That is my S. I have to pass here. Okay. So then where is other one? Longitude. Okay. So here. So I am nearer to that one. Clear? So this way, so we will get the longitude and latitude, and also we are having the advanced methods. So then that those methods not required for. Okay. Clear? So that is the longitude latitude. So another simple one is there. So storage. How we can store the data into the browser? How we can store our data into our browser? See here, we are having the local storage. So we can store the data here. Our our input data, either form data or anything we can do, we can store it here. Anything we can store it here. Okay. So then how we can store this one? How we can store this one? So just a single line only. So nothing more than that one. So only single a line only. So first we can we can set the data 99.html. Okay. So browser API, local
Local.
storage and session storage. We are having two type of storages type, session storage and local storage. So first we can set the local storage, local storage dot set set name. Okay. Set name. So then name equal to name, then comma, like that. We have set. Okay. If we can run this one, and html. Okay. What happened? This file couldn't be accessed. Why? Remove this one. 99, sorry, 99. Okay. So then now you can see what happened. Save local storage dot set item. Okay, name Teja live patch. At the same time, so we can store the multiple values. Set email now. Okay, so then Teja at mail.com. So at the same time, we can store the multiple values. Okay, so this when we run this one, so then we can store. Okay, so then how we can get these values? How we can get these values? So we have set these values, right? So now, so here I am unable to see this one. Okay, so I am appending, so I am writing all these things in one function. Okay, so my function. So then, okay, inside this one I am setting. So then after that, I'm getting the values, getting the values. So document dot get element by id. So then res, right? Res dot inner html equal to name equal to plus. So how we can get local storage dot, we have get and set. So get item we have to use it. So what item? So what we are getting? So name, right? So now we can see get data. We have name. An error is there. My function is not defined. Okay. So this way we will get. This way we will get same thing. So how we can set it? So only this way only. So there is nothing in this, nothing difficulty. So just we have to define first. We have to set the item. So when we want, then we can get either first set item, so then get item. Set item, so then get item. Okay. So then if you want to clear that one, so after that one, so if you want to clear complete data, so we have a method called clear. We have a method called clear. So then we can use that one. Local storage dot clear. So after this one, so just you can put, if you won't call local storage dot clear. Okay. Now you can see here we are having, can use this same clear data. Clear data. There is one local storage dot clear. Okay. So then we can see okay, clear. Okay. Now if you can go to this one memory, okay, delete it. So then nothing, right? So after created set the items, whenever we are calling this function, So we are setting the data. So then we are getting the data. Okay. Now get and clear, get and clear. Same way, same way, we have a session data also. We have a session data also. We want to set a session storage. So then all these details will store it here. Same thing. So not required all these things. And instead of putting so session storage. Okay, nothing is there here. Okay, created. Session data is created. Okay, so then only we are clearing this data. So we are not clearing this data, session data. So same thing, same way we can use it. So button dot. So when we click on this one, we have to clear instead of local storage, we have to use the session storage. Okay. So these are the APIs, browser APIs, all these things, whatever we discuss, all these things are browser APIs only. Okay, so if you want to work with either web APIs or server APIs, so we need one backend technology, and other one is web server we need. Okay, when we work with the session server APIs, we need database and backend technology. We need database and backend technology. When we work with the web APIs, so we need so backend technology, any of either PHP, either .NET, either Java, either Ruby and Rails. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, clear? So any doubts, Ramesh, Yeman? So from tomorrow, so we can discuss jQuery. So from either Monday or Tuesday, we can start the React JS. Okay, so Java jQuery is four classes, so we can complete it. So if not possible, then we can take another class. Okay, okay, then fine. Thank you.